Everyone says ACCA gives you a global career, big salary, and job security. But you've already heard that 100 times, right? What if I told you the real reasons to pursue ACCA? Now isn't just about money, but about becoming 10x sharper, faster, and more future ready. In the next few minutes, I'm sharing 5 brutally practical reasons why ACCA might just change your life. And trust me, no one's saying it like this. Let's start with the first reason. ACCA trains your brain to think clearly and solve problems fast. It's not just accounting, it's about learning how to break problems down, think logically, and come up with answers faster than anyone else. Research says structured thinkers make 40% faster decisions. Imagine what that could mean for your career, your startup, or even your daily life. Reason 2, you won't just learn accounting, you'll actually start thinking like a business owner. ACCA makes you understand how businesses function, make money, and grow. Like when you walk into a restaurant, you'll not just think about food, you will calculate revenue, average ticket size, and customer flow. You'll learn to read business models anywhere, and trust me, that's a power. Reason 3, ACCA's case study based papers like SBL teach you to lead, not just calculate. So, you'll understand HR, operations, marketing, and finance, all through real world scenarios. That's why so many ACCAs become CEOs, CFOs, and startup founders. They're trained to see the big picture, not just crunch numbers. Right? Reason 4, you don't just pass exams, you actually work in real roles while studying. Working across taxation, audit, consulting. These experiences will make you job ready before even you graduate. ACCA forces you to get real world exposure through its practical experience requirement, and that's priceless. Reason 5, you join a global community. With access to jobs in Dubai, UK, Canada, Australia, many ACCA professionals get secondments, where you're sent abroad by companies like Big Fours to work and come back stronger. You'll meet peers, mentors, and partners who can literally shape your future just by being in the right room. So, yes, ACCA gives you a career, but more than that, it gives you a way of thinking. It makes you faster, sharper, more strategic, and more employable across the world. If you're serious about building a global finance career, start now. ACCA isn't just a qualification, it's a mindset. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more talk on careers that matter.